It's been more than 2 weeks since we transplanted our sprouted Ampalaya seedlings. Now we have an update to make. Also for the chayotes, look at this. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen. Hello, warm welcome. I have an update to make. The lighting condition here is not very good. That's why I'll bring the seedlings here. Look at this. Our Ampalaya seedlings. They're not all Ampalayas. These are dahlias. If you notice here, the leaves were severed. I have a story for that. Look. I placed him here. This is a what is this called? Germinator. It's heated, and it has a cover to keep the moisture. And they were here. This were here, and it was sunny, so they were burnt. The leaves were burnt. Now I remove them. What are these? These are kangkong. And here's another dahlia here. This is heated to accelerate the germination. And guess what's this? This is taro. It's beginning to come out. Look, it's really warm and humid. It needs that. Now, not only that, I'm also going to show or to update you with the chayote. Look, this is our most healthy chayote. It has leaves there. From here, up to there. Look at that. And the reason for that is it has started to produce roots. Look, roots in the. We'll plant this middle of May. Towards middle of May. And I'm going to show you the other chayotes. The other chayotes are here. Look, no leaves yet. The reason for that is I'm going to show no roots yet. So we will have to end our update now. I'd like to see you again next time as we bring you more stories on my dear chayotes. And looking forward to stir-frying chayotes this year. Chayote fruits and chayote tops. Until then. Not just chayotes, but Ampalaya too, or bitter gourd, plus other crops that we grow at the allotment. Please join me again next time. Thank you.